Behind every story, there is a tribe, and behind a tribe, a leader. Today, we are meeting the man guiding the Idoma tribe in Peope, Abuja. Agaba Idusha. Why not, sir?
Anya wainalo.
Anya.
Anya wainalo.
Anya.
Anya.
Anya ma. Anya. Abawole. Anya ma. Anya. Back in the days before this day came into being, what was the process like, the journey so far into you becoming a traditional leader of the Idoma tribe here in Peope, sir?
Well, to me, becoming a traditional leader in Peope is just by God's divine appointment. I never had in mind that I will become a chief one day. It's a long story that I may want to cut short. I came to Peope here the year 2001 when we are struggling for survival. As a matter of fact, I am among people that ride Okada, popular machine here in Peope. And then, though I was working with a Nigeria Labour Congress under transport session, but I still have to survive. So the journey started after let me say 20 years. We organized ourselves in Peope, where we know the numbers of Idoma people in Peope are coming up. We formed Idoma General Meeting, which has been existing for maybe 40 years now. Because I remember the time I joined them, it was 2006. And we continue until about 2018. That is when we see that the number of Idoma people in Peope are becoming more than 200-300. So, and there's a need for Idoma people to control themselves here in Peope. So we discovered that different meetings started coming up. The family meeting, different local government meeting, and we agreed one time that all of us should join hands. But all this process never bring anything like Idoma chief in Peope until close to 2020, where that coronavirus started. That was when the journey, I would say, starts. Because already God is feeding me well. And there's a need for some of my people also in Peope to feed well. And that process, those periods, there was no movement at all. Not to even talk of anybody hustling for food or anything.
Exactly.
So God consider us worthy to call ourselves, few of us that are eating well, to see that we disown one of our meal for other people that is the less privileged. So on the process, we're able to gain some bag of rice, some ingredients, and share for the Idoma people in Peope here. So that is where Idoma unity started here in Peope.
As regard the title, your title, what does it really mean to the people out there who doesn't know the meaning of this staff that you are holding?
Yes, the title Idoma as a chief means the leader of Idoma in Peope here. Before now, we have different local government meeting. Before now, we even have general meeting of all the Idoma people. You know, Idoma, they are made up of about 7 local governments.
Yes.
So those 7 local governments, all of them have chairman. All of them have one meeting or the other. The women's side of the meeting, the men's side, and even the youth. So at a point, all of us decided that, okay, we need a chief, somebody that will spearhead all the activities of Idoma people in Peope, considering the men, the women, and the youth. That is where the struggle for Idoma chief now come up. And the Idoma generally, as we know, they migrated from somewhere, like Kwararafa Kingdom. So any chief or title holder from Kwara Kingdom is considered as Agabaido. That is why most of the times they see me, they call me Agabaido. And nice, thank you, ma.
Okay.